Hi, today I'm going to show you how I fix my laptop wireless issue. Let's begin. My laptop is HP EliteBook 840, runs with Windows 10. My internet connection keeps dropping. There could be three possibilities for this issue. There could be a problem with the router, the laptop setting, or the laptop Wi-Fi card. First, I have to check whether it is a router issue. In my case, I know that my router is okay because other devices connected to it functions well. When you have a router issue, you can simply reboot the router by unplugging the unit and replug it from the electrical supply. Most of the time, this resolves the problem. If no success, you can call your internet provider and have them investigate. A possibility may be a service outage or defective router that needs replacement. Second, I check the laptop setting. I followed a tip on YouTube video for possible fix. I ran troubleshooting diagnostic on the Windows which gives me Ethernet adapter is disabled. I followed the steps to fix it and solve the problem, but in a few hours the connection dropped again. I tried to uninstall and install the Wi-Fi driver and still the problem exists. I updated the Wi-Fi driver as suggested in the video and still the problem was not solved. For more details about the troubleshooting tip on YouTube, you can refer to a link below. The third thing is to focus on Wi-Fi card. A Wi-Fi card connects a computer to a wireless network. I ordered the part from Amazon. When I ordered the Wi-Fi card, I just searched for the Wi-Fi card for the model and brand of my laptop. It was a mistake. When I received and attempted to install it, the Wi-Fi card did not match to the socket of the laptop's motherboard. I didn't realize that the Wi-Fi card has different slot type. It is called Peripheral Component Interconnect or PCI type. These types are M.2 PCI, Mini PCIe, and Half Mini PCIe. So my tip is, before ordering the Wi-Fi card, make sure you get the model number which is written in the card. My laptop's Wi-Fi card is Half Mini PCIe, model number 7260AC. I ordered it from Amazon and finally got it right. After installing it and rebooting the laptop, the wireless connection problem was solved. I have been using my laptop for almost 2 weeks now and have no experience any connection drop issue. Thanks for watching.